Hernando.
Why are we going to Hernando?
We're gonna go have lunch with Goose and Vanessa.
That sounds like fun. How far away is it?
It's maybe about an 8-minute boat ride.
And what are we gonna do on the way?
We're gonna drop our crab traps. Wanna take a look at them? Ooh, they're all set up.
All right.
Bait's ready to go.
Off we go.
Okay, here we go.
Today we're cruising 10 nautical miles from Cortes Bay on Cortes Island to Stag Bay on Hernando Island, one of the most unique private islands in the Discovery Islands. Our destination today is a little different. We were invited to visit friends who own property on Hernando, a private cooperative community. Because the residents value their privacy and we wanted to respect that, we've kept our cameras focused on the spectacular scenery, waterfront, and our boating adventure rather than the homes and people who live there.
Here, guys. Mound,
Yep.
rock.
Yep.
It's sort of alone. That's our opening par 4.
Dave, what are you opening with?
Par
What's your club? What's your club on this?
Well, I've got a 7-iron. I think it might be enough of this wind.
4. Yeah, you gotta. Yeah, there's a nice wind.
But I mean, I gotta throw it out there. I've not golfed in a month.
Buckets full. We're gonna get some oysters.
Right, and it's not your clubs, and you don't have your shoes. There's no glove.
The grips are worn.
Tons of excuses here. Well, we're gonna.
I know with the right shoes
All
on.
right.
Now, should I tee it up or play it as a lie?
Lovely shot. Seeing it come down. Nicely done.
Oh, great shot. Oh, I can't believe that checked out. That was an awesome shot. Right on line.
Lunch today was everything from the sea. Fresh oysters, prawns, and salmon salad. Served on beautiful family china. So very teak table. After a super fun day, it was time to head back to the boat.